Welcome to MindFlows. Today, we'll go over how to seamlessly import your Excel files directly into your Monday.com boards and export data from a board into Excel. Let's dive in. Starting with importing data into Monday.com. Once your Monday board has been opened, click on your avatar at the top right and select Import Data, then select Excel. Choose an Excel file that you want to import. Once file has been uploaded, Monday.com's intelligent import system takes over. Now, pick the first row to show on your board. Keep in mind that once you have picked a row, the data above will not be included in the importing process. Click Next. Then, choose your first column. This will be the items that will be shown on your board. Click Next. Monday.com automatically detects the structure and format of your data, allowing you to map your Excel columns to the appropriate fields in Monday.com. When options are not available in mapping, always choose Text Column. You may change this column type later once your board is ready. Then, hit Create Board. Now your board is ready. Don't forget to rename the group of items. How about when you have a board structure already and you only need to import a data? No problem. Click the drop-down arrow at the top of your board and select Import Items. Drag and drop or click to browse the file. Hit Next to map your data. By mapping your data correctly, you ensure that the imported information aligns with your board structure and predefined column types. This consistency enables smooth collaboration and prevents confusion among team members. After clicking the Next button, you may choose how you can handle duplicates. You can skip items if they match a data from a column, overwrite existing items, or create a new items. For this video, we will select Create New Items. Again, don't forget to rename. To export a group of items from your board, click the three dots at the left and select Export to Excel. Tick any of these boxes you want to include data when exporting. Then, click the Export button. So simple, right? To export the whole board, click the three dots at the top right and select Export Board to Excel. Follow the same procedure that we did earlier. Whether you're importing data to kickstart your project or exporting data to share insights, Monday.com provides a seamless experience, empowering you to harness the full potential of your information. Follow us for more tips. We're MindFlows, a certified Monday.com partner.